That HAR file is a recorded snapshot of web browser network traffic. Every HTTP request, response, and timing detail captured for performance analysis. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you analyze or troubleshoot these network capture files. If you frequently deal with unusual HAR file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. HAR files are HTTP archive format files storing recorded browser network activity, including all HTTP requests, responses, headers, cookies, timing data, and content payloads. They are used by web developers to debug performance issues and analyze page load behavior. HAR files use a JSON-based format, conforming to the HTTP archive specification, with entries for each network request, containing URL method status headers, timing phases, and optional response content. They capture the complete waterfall of browser-server communication. Google Chrome Developer Tools, engineered by Google LLC, is the application of choice for HAR. The file's non-standard data blocks prevent Windows from viewing the internal content. Windows cannot resolve script commands, so the correct interpreter is necessary. Your reliable starting move is the Open With action. Right-click the HAR file and select Open With. If Google Chrome Developer Tools is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that associates the file. If your HAR file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. I'm going to explain the most common technical reasons behind the file failure before we use the one-click solution. First, viewing the archive. Open Google Chrome DevTools. By pressing F12, then navigate to the Network tab. Click the Import button and select your HAR file to load and display the complete network waterfall timeline, with request details, timing breakdown, and response headers. Next, analyzing performance. Upload your HAR file to Google's HAR Analyzer at toolbox.googleapps.com/apps HAR or use the free HAR viewer at harviewer.org to visualize request waterfalls, identify slow resources, and pinpoint performance bottlenecks in your web application loading sequence. Finally, security considerations. HAR files may contain sensitive data, including authentication tokens, session cookies, passwords, and personal information captured during recording. Always review and sanitize HAR files before sharing. Use HAR sanitizer tools to remove sensitive headers and cookie data automatically. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.